To mix up our apricot muffins, we need 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter that was melted and then cooled. We don't want to put hot melted butter in with that egg. 1/3 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, beat it on low just a little while to mix it up a little bit. That's it. My sifter has got 2/3 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of Hain featherweight baking powder, no sodium. Sift it into the egg mixture. And then stir it. Sunmade has Mediterranean apricots. They come in a 6-ounce package, no sodium. I chop them up a little bit more, 1/2 cup. I generally get 8 muffins out of each batch. Fill the liners up, no more than 3/4 full. These are going to go in my air fryer at 320 degrees. I do 4 at a time. 320 degrees. Muffins were done in 13 minutes. The whole batch has 110 milligrams of sodium. Each muffin has 13.75. I always get 8 muffins out of a batch, and I air fry them in 2 batches. You can heat these back up in your air fryer. Put them in there at 320 degrees. Air fry them for 3 or 4 minutes. Get good and hot, and they are right tasty. Great with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea in the evening.